Bangladesh broke its chains twice, once from the shadow of the western sun, and once from the grip of its own soul undone.
In 1971, for 9 months, the soil drank the blood of millions of murderers.
With unyielding courage, the Bangladeshi people rose, turning despair into defiance, and fought valiantly against the oppressors to claim their freedom.
In 2024, history's shadow returned, when young herds, barely grown, stood as martyrs.
And once more, Bangladesh broke its chains, this time from the tyranny of its own crown.
The next demonstration is not just a tribute to their memory, but a promise to uphold the values they fought for, a Bangladesh where dreams are not limited by barriers and every life is valued.